Hello everybody, my name is Ashinta Sharma and today we will be creating Corona Kavach app part 1. So, as promised as yesterday, I uploaded the trailer of the app. So, let's get started. First of all, name it as Corona Kavach. If you want, you can name it as Corona app, but I am naming it as Corona Kavach over here, like this, save. Now, go on the design and rename this one as Welcome Screen because we will be creating at least 13 to 14 screens and it will be very hard for us to identify which is which screen. So now drag and drop one text area over here like this and make it a little big and this much like this. Okay, like this it will be fine. Now we have to write over here, each of us has the power to help in preventing spread of coronavirus pandemic. So I've copied it, I've just pasted over here and increase the font size like this much and make this background color, if you want, make it as green like this. So we have to use a lighter shade because we are like this one is fine. Now drag and drop one button over here and you can name it like click to register or just register. So I'm just naming it as register like this and make this button color, you can make it as blue like this. And text area, if you want some color you can do it, of course. So go here and you can just make it as red, but this is a too dark shade, so we will be using the lighter shade of this like this and make this text color as white like this. Now create one more screen 2 over here. This is the registration screen. So first of all, drag a text input or else you can drag a text area also and make sure to make it this much full width and you have to decrease it like this. And here we have to write, please enter your details, please, like enter your details like this. Okay, I've done one spelling mistake by mistake. Details like this. Now here we have to drag and drop one text area over here like this, and if you want in this you can align the text to center and make this background color to red like this. Background color, you can make it to this one also if you want. I want it to be not this, yeah, this one will be fine like this. Also you can make it as red like this, and here you have to make this one also very small, like increase its width by this much and you have to decrease it like this. Type over here as name like this. Now decrease it this much and this much. Now drag over here one text input and placeholder. Now again we have to take this same, so make it 100, width should be 100 and height should be 40. So again take this, width should be 100 and this should be 40 like this, and make this as age like this. And you can give them some colors if you want, like I want this one to be brown. Text color I have made brown and background color I want it to be this color would be fine. Yeah, same I would do over here like this and again I'll make it over here like this, and here we have to drag and drop one drop down over here. Now there's so many options, so we have to give some numbers like the age over here. We have to give this age till 20. Then we have to make this as 20 plus 8, then 9, then 10, 11, then 12, 13 and 14, then 15 and 16, 17 and 18, then 90, then make it as 20 plus like this. And here we have to go, like you have to go over here one more, make this as like, okay, we have made this like this and fit it over here like this. Now we have to drag and drop one more text area and make this as 100, then this one also as 40 like this, and make this as gender like this, and again text color should be brown, and this one should be the color that we used like this. And now you need one more drop down over here like this, and first option is being as male, then this one will be female like this. Now here we have to make some back button and next back button and then next button, and make this background color to orange like this. Now we have to name this screen as, this screen should be register screen, register screen like this. Now the next screen we will be creating is this screen. Please answer this questions screen, this one. So now make it as please answer the, okay, we have done, here you have to put a like this. Please answer the following questions and give here some space over here like this. And now this one we'll be making it as thank you over here like this, and make this as thank you like this. Now here you can make one next button over here like this, next. Now go here and create one new screen, and this will be this screen. Are you infected by any of the diseases like this? Are you infected by any of the diseases? Affected by any of the diseases like this question mark, and you have to make this text bigger, yeah, like this, and make this as capital like this. Now here we have to give 4 options: fever, first one is fever, fever like this, and make this very small. Decrease it 105 and 50. 105 and 50. Same here. Making it as 50 and make this one as 105 like this. Fever, then make it as cold over here. Cold. And this one again, this will be 105 and 50 like this. These are the options that we will give to the user. This is dry cough. This one should be dry cough. Dry cough like this. And the last option is being none of the above. Again, I'll be making it as 105 and 50 like this. And I'm going to make it as none over here. Then we have to drag radio buttons over here for all of these. So like this, 1, then 2, and then the third one, and then 4th. Now I want to increase this size like this much or else this much. Now place it over here. Same way, increase its size and place it. Increase size and place it like this. And now we will be creating the enter button over here. So that's it for today, and tomorrow I'll upload the part 2 for Corona Kavach app. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.